Very good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to start another very important concept of inadequate profit. What is the meaning of inadequate profit? That means if the firm have inadequate profit and the interest on capital, salary and commission to the paid partner is more than the amount of profit, means whatever we paying to the partner is more than the amount of profit, then we can only pay these items up to the profit limit. We cannot pay more than the profit limit. For example, suppose you are going to a restaurant and you have 1000 rupees in your pocket, so maximum amount you can expense is 1000, not more than of that. That means if we having a less profit and we have to the partner more things, then we can pay only to the limit of profit. We cannot exceed to the profit limit. Okay. Let's come to the question. Question number 21 we are discussing. There are two partners X and Y. The ratio of the partners 3:2. The capital being given 10 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees. You have to pay only interest on capital 8% per annum. And the profit is given on 31st March 2021, 45,000 rupees. This has been a very important concept. There was a question comes in the board exam last year. Okay, so just see it very carefully. Now we coming to making P&L appropriation account. We having profit 45,000 rupees. We write down here profit 45,000 rupees. We have to only pay interest on capital. Interest on capital, we have calculated interest capital roughly. For X, the capital amount is 10 lakh into 8 upon 100, 80,000 you have to pay X. And for Y, capital amount is 5 lakh, 8 upon 100, 40,000 you have to pay to Y as interest of capital. Total amount of 120. You have to pay 1,20,000 rupees as interest and capital to X and Y. But our profit limit is 45,000. We cannot give more than 45,000. That means the case of inadequate profit. You have to expense 120, but you have in your pocket 45,000 rupees. Then what we gonna do? We can say we only can pay 45,000 rupees as interest on capital. So what we have to do? We have calculated the ratio of interest on capital amount. This amount is given there. Whatever you have to pay, you have to calculate the ratio of that. 80,000 and 40,000 ratios could come to 1. That means that 40,000 rupees is divided between X and Y as interest on capital in the ratio of 2:1. So for X, 45,000 into 2 and total ratio is 3, come 30,000 rupees for X. Y, 45,000 into 1 and the ratio total of that is 3, come 15,000 rupees. So we can say in place of 80,000 and 40,000, we can only pay X 30,000 rupees in place of 80,000, and we can pay Y 15,000 in place of 40,000. Okay, so this is the maximum amount we can pay as an interest on capital. Okay, I hope you understand. I will give you a same question for the practice. Okay, so do it at your home. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.